He predicted the end of the world. One man predicted the end of the world and almost got it right. His name was Nostradamus. He wrote hundreds of predictions in secret codes and riddles. One prophecy warned the world would end in 1999. Believe he predicted world wars, deadly plagues, and the fall of kings. The world didn't end, but something terrifying happened instead.